Imagine walking into a casino. No clocks, no windows. The lights keep you awake, the sounds trigger dopamine, and the house always wins. Now, realize something terrifying. You are already in the casino. Modern society is an expertly engineered machine designed to extract your time, harvest your attention, and drain your wallet. You think you're living your life? No, you are a marble rolling down a track built by a marketing department. You aren't the player, you are the payout. So, who am I? I'm Ben. I am not a financial guru. I am a systems analyst for the human operating system. I look at life the way a mechanic looks at a seizing engine. I don't care how the engine feels. I care about the inputs, the outputs, and the friction. Right now, I see grade A hardware, your brain, running on malware installed by a consumer culture. I'm not a cheerleader here to motivate you. I'm here to hold up the mirror to your bad decisions and refuse to look away until you do too. We talk about money here, but let's get the metaphor right. Money is not the goal. Money is the thermometer. If you are broke, you don't have an income problem. You have a fever. Your system is fighting an infection of status games, instant gratification, and ego. Your bank account is just the report card for your behavior. You can't fix the grades by staring at the paper. You have to fix the student. We study finances because it's the only place where your lies have a number attached to them. You cannot lie to a spreadsheet. So, how do we escape the casino? Most people try willpower. That is like trying to hold back a river with your hands. Eventually, you get tired and you drown. On this channel, we build dams. We build systems. We design environments where the right choice is the default setting. We automate decisions so your tired brain doesn't have to make them. I don't want you to be disciplined. I want you to be automated. I'm not here to sell you a dream. I am here to dismantle your delusions. No one is coming to save you. The government, the bank, your boss, they all have a plan for their benefit, not yours. If you don't have a plan for yourself, you are just a resource for them. It's time to stop being the tenant in your own life and start being the architect. If you're ready to stop sleepwalking and start building, subscribe. Let's rewrite the code.